Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 363. There's a minute to go. So spend that minute, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, check out my IG, all these things. This is my live solve video, so definitely for explanations, I'll have one for each video or each problem, of varying quality. Saturday night here in New York. It is kind of chilly actually, but we'll see how that goes. 20 seconds to go. I missed the earlier contest, the bi-weekly, because I don't know, I just forgot about the week. Like it's alternating weeks, so I always forget, or not always forget, but today I forgot. So so today we'll see how it goes. It feels like, we'll see. 10 seconds. Let's go. Go. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Did I register? I think so. If not, then it'll be very sad. That was fast actually. My clicking speed is slow. Alright. That's it, right? 13 and 1. Maybe I misunderstood the part. Indexes. That is a really weird part. Wait. But okay, fine. 13 and 1, alright. Probably should have taken an extra second. It's so easy to misread and just eat a 5-minute penalty. Okay. Say what? This one is kind of hard to read. Okay. So everyone is happy. Okay. Let's see. If the student is selected and the number of students is greater than it. This is hard to read. I mean, it's probably just sliding windows, right? One, 2, 3, and 6. They're just sorting then. Right. Let's see. If the student is selected, this is so hard to read. The student is selected and the number of okay, so you select I+1 students, and the numbers that are selected is going to be all the ones to the left. So num sub I, if this is greater than or equal to I+1, then I think it's an everyone number, and okay, and num sub I+1 is no, this is the other way. Strictly less than, so something like this even. This goes on there, but can you do 0? No, let's just do right? Yeah. And then now if num sub n minus 1 is less than n, then we add. This is so hard to read. 1 and 3, that's not right. Right. So 0. So if we select both of them, that's one way. If we select one of them, oh, select no students. How do I select no students in my way that I do it? If num sub 0 is greater than 0, I think. This is so easy to make a mistake on. I'm so like not confident about this, but let's give it YOLO. Okay. So easy to make a mistake on that one. Okay. Okay. What are the constraints? The constraints are 100. Maybe not that big. All right. Let's see. So many things. Okay. So you have n machines or n meadows, k machines. So the I is k and j is n. Okay. You have you have meadows. Okay, and then the budget is pretty big. What am I doing here? So do we always only want to use one machine? I don't think so. Maybe. Do we ever use? No, there's an obvious thing to use multiple machines, right? Am I misunderstanding it? Like if stock is 100 and one requires 1 0 and the other one 0 1, then you can kind of create a lot of things, right? N and K is 100. What does that mean? Some combination of these things, right? N is the number of meadows and K is the number of machines. How did someone already get this? 3 people already got this. I don't even understand the problem. It's definitely... I still don't even understand the problem. I mean, I understand the problem, but I don't understand how you even approach it. This is the budget. Budget could be 0, so yeah, okay. The cost does cost stuff, so nothing is free, which is fine. It's like some sort of weird matching thing. People are getting this though, so I feel like I'm maybe overthinking. There's also, unless I'm missing something. No. Okay, 100. And I am struggling on this one. How do you... Okay, is there a greedy aspect of it? No, not really. Is there DP? Is there a DP? The DP would be to use up the stock, right? But really don't know this one. Oh, this is the composition. Okay, so maybe I missed that part. Did I? Oh, does that matter? How is this a medium? What is the 0.5? What am I doing? Wow, people have already done. iWise is dominating. Skipped ahead. Maybe I should skip ahead real quick. I mean, more people got Q4, so let's look at this first. One index array of every product of every pair of its elements is a perfect square. One and four. Is it one? Why do they switch from one index and 0 index? Okay. What does this mean? 8 plus 5 is 13. 16. Okay. What? The product of every pair of its elements is a perfect square? One and 4. Is it just the indexes? I don't get it. So we only care about indexes. It's very confusing. And then we're trying to maximize this. Okay. So then now, what am I doing? Right. Have 1, 4. Okay, so what are the squares? So 1, 2, 4. No, 16. 25 is 5 and 5. So the only thing is just powers of 2s and powers of, well, 6 I guess is going to be a little bit different. Okay. People got this that quickly. It was smart. I feel like this is more tractable. I just have to figure it out. Okay. 10 to the 4. What is 10 to the 4 again? 10,000. Also corresponding as well. They just kind of copy and paste it. How many primes are there? Primes under 10,000. How many are there? How many primes under 10,000? 1229. Basically, is the idea that, okay, this one, which we always run 1, because you can add 1 to anything, like even 128, right? I wonder why 128 is not there. Or did I understand it? Did I misunderstood this one? 1 times 2 times. Oh, every pair, not the product. Okay. So then, what does that mean? Right. So that means that there's 2 and then 2 times 3. Oh man, I misread this one. Okay. And then so every pair, all the products are not the same. Can I do a breadth first search? So it's 1419. Now that said, it's going to be too big. How do I do it? Well, a lot of people are getting it. A lot of people getting that's this one, so I'm just gonna get dominated today. Okay, every pair of its element. Okay. So what does that mean if I do TP? So if this is a square, then it has to visit a square. Right? If not, then So for example, 8 would was it 2, but going backwards, let's see, right? You have 2 to the third, which is the same, so not that. So 4 or 5, 2 to the fifth, but you also have 2 times, like 2 times 3 square or something like this. So like 18 would go with 8, right? It's 18 times 8. Just to make sure. Oh yeah, 144. Then how do you do that? I 100 to the 4th is going to be 10 or 100 square. So, wow, this is not great. Does this prime factorization even help me? Okay. Say 16, right? So 16 is going to be 1 and 16. But it goes over n, so that's not very helpful. Man, I just don't know. Today is just not a good day, I suppose. 2 and 8, but no 1. Okay, so what does 16 look like? But the thing is, you can't even iterate for that because what are the patterns? It's 1 and 9, 2 and 8. It's always going to be the same things, right? So 1 4, 1 9, 2 8, 4 9, 1 4 9, and then 1 4 9 is always going to be bigger, so then you can actually extend this. And that already eliminates some of the stuff. So you skip 1 9 and 4 9, so you have 1 4 9, and then you have 2 8, and then I guess you do some sort of DP on that. And then what's the next one? 16, I guess. And the one that requires all the stuff. Right, and that obviously is better than 1 and 16. Now the 2 8 thing. The 2 8 thing is a little trickier, right? And then now you also have to deal with this is 2 to the 1, 2 to the 3rd, 2 to the 5th, maybe, I guess. So now this is times by 4, so 36. Right, so yeah, x and x squared, so that's maybe a case, I don't know. And then there's just 2 to the odd x, which is a weird thing. And then now you have 3, and you have 3 and 27 and dot dot dot. Right? I mean, this feels like Siffy, but I don't know if this is good enough though to get all the possibilities. Like, is there 3 to 36 one? No, because 36 is, how did I even get 36? I just missed that. No, it's 32, Larry. 32. You can't do math. Okay, fine. 2 to the 5th is 32, not 36. Okay. But 36 is probably a thing. Let's say 4 and then just 2 to the second. 4 to the 1 and then 4 to the third maybe. So that is 16, 64. Is that right though? I mean, it's right, but it doesn't consider stuff like how do you do 8 and 18, right? 8 and 18 would be a possible answer, but the way that we're doing our progression, it is not. And even this 3, you could even say 3 times 4, which is 3 times 4 is 12. So yeah, 3, 12, 27 would still be good, right? Because 36 and 27 times 12 is 18 squared. Right, so we're definitely missing some stuff if we just do it this way. Furthermore, is there a set in which this doesn't make sense? X squared has to be, no it doesn't, does it? No, x squared has to be by itself or in a thing. Yeah. 3, you have to look at all the other. I just don't know anything today. This is going to be a disaster of a contest. Wow, people are really smart. Whew, yikes. So, all the square ones has to be with other squares. Okay. What about all the non-square ones? We have 2 and 8 and 32 say ... but you can also even add 9 to it. Right. So it's 2 times all these things. It will still be good. So then it's 1, 4, 9, 16. And then 2 times all these, so it's like 2, 8, 18, and 32. And that would also be good. There's so many possibilities. I don't get it. Times everything by 3, so that's 3, 12, 27. Is that it? Maybe it is. Maybe that's the pattern. I don't know. And I don't know the answer to this one, so. Okay, what would that look like? So it's just 100 things, right? Is that true though? Because you can have 6, right? 6 is. I mean, this is our pattern, but I feel like there's also. Also, it doesn't tell you what n is equal to 1 mean. I don't know that. I know the answer without it. What am I doing? What if you start with 6, right? Because you have 6 and then that's 2 times 3. That's 6 and that's 2 times 2 squared times 3 squared. Is that 36? So another 36 squared. But but that's a thing, right? So 36 squared, but that's not going to be in our thing. Oh wait, yeah, is it? Because it's going to be 6 and then 24, 36. No, that's not 36. 54, and then eventually, maybe. Yeah, okay, fine. I don't even know what the answer is with n is equal to 1. I guess this is equal to max of nums, just one index number. Because technically every pair is a perfect square, right? I don't know if that's true, so we'll see. Current 0 to 1, right? While right, and then press is equal to max press of total, right? And then now we have to do another loop of right, and then now we start in something like this, but I might have to do some optimization. It's not even right. It's not right because I have to reset this. 14, 13. Why? How did I get 14? Oh, this is one index. So I have to do a -1. Okay, fine. And so this is going to be equal to, okay, fine. 13, 19. Yeah, that's still wrong. Why? What am I getting 13 for? So from 0 to start. Oh, this doesn't do anything, does it? It should be something like this, say. Okay, well. At least that's kind of good, maybe. We want 1 and 2 and 8. So why is that? So this should be current is equal to. Oh, this is no. What are you doing? Oh, I guess 1 times that is true, but 2 and 8, right? Index 2. Oh, index 2 is this. I hate you when you're 0 indexing. 0 is going to be 1. We want 1. We want. This, it's not even right. Okay, 1 and 4. One and 4 is 13, okay. This one is 5, which is really wrong. Oh no, this is okay, let's just do this for now. Okay. Okay. Is this right though? I don't know. Is this too much work? No, I mean the later one should be okay. Let's just YOLO submit. I don't know if this is right. It is right. That's ridiculous. Alright, let's actually get back to this one. I don't even think I understand this one, to be honest. Square 3 things. I don't know that I can prove that. Alright, let's focus a little bit. Let's finish this and then call it a night. Is there a binary search? Maybe that's what I should have done. I didn't even think about it. What would a binary search even look like? What would a binary search look like? Can we create 5? I mean, apparently it should be easier. Oh, 578 people got it. I am not one of those people. People got it in like 3-4 minutes. I didn't even read the poem that fast. But we probably would not create one at a time because budget is too high to do it one at a time. But we could probably do it one at a time to get the stock down, but the stock is high too, right? So maybe not. Can we convert the stock to money and then do the math on the cheapness? No, that's greedy and silly. Right, because you can definitely lead to suboptimal things. Am I not reading this? I feel like N and K is 100. Is there a DP? How many machines can you want to do? I mean, my intuition is that maybe you ever only want 3 machines or something like this. Like you never. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. You can have K machines, or used. Like if they're all 1,000 or something. Yeah, we can. If it all uses 1 at a time, then that would. Then what am I doing? Are able to get it quickly. I don't know this one. I mean, maybe it's just greedy and. Oh snap! Is what the? Wow. I mean, I know it's in bold, but I just read this now. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, I am an idiot, clearly. Alright. Regroup. Okay, let's go. I am clearly an idiot, but we can. Well, let's talk about how much I'm an idiot after I solve this. Right? So what's n again? N is the okay. So we actually want k for the machine. S is right. Oh my. Whatever. So how much would it cost? Right. So okay. Can we binary search? Do we want to binary search? Let's see if we could solve for just one of these, right? I am not smart. I am not smart. Let's just binary search. Oh my. I feel so dumb about this one right now. Is 15 even good enough? I don't know. Let's go for 20. I don't want to think about it. If what am I doing? I'm so tilted now. Just reading comprehension terrible. Okay, so if this is good, focus. We want to try something bigger. Else, and just return left, right? Let's just say target and mid. And target. Let's go index and mid. I was wondering why people got it so silly. Okay. Okay. So then now, if we want to have hit target, we need cost is equal to 0, and then for I in range of n for each of the metals, composition of I and of index and I, which is terrible. For that metal, we need, that's the number we need, time for each times target. Yep. And then we minus this by the stock of I, right? So that's how much we have, or that this is how much we need, and then this is how much it costs. Oh, this is a terrible name. Okay, so okay, right? And of course we just want to make sure that this is 0 or more, and then we just want to make sure that this is less than budget. I am not a smart man. 252. All right. Wow. I mean, this time. Wow. I can't believe I misread that problem for basically the entire time. I wasted so much time. So much time. Q4, I was still slow, but I don't know how many people got. This is a disaster. But I got it pretty quickly after I realized. So I think this is about my average in that, like I probably lose a point or two, but not that much more. What a silliness. Yikes. I was wondering, I was like, I don't get how you could solve this. I was like, this would be easy if you can do, if you only need, if you're on the same machine. And then I just kind of, you know, like this was a 2-minute solve, or maybe a little bit more, but like 5-minute solve, say, right? Then I don't know. Then oh my, I wasted so much time. I mean, it is what it is. As y'all know, if you've been following, I've been really bad on reading the prompts correctly lately. Really could have gotten that one pretty quickly. Q2, I was a little bit slower just because I wanted to not get a silly wrong answer or something. But I don't know. Any shout outs? I really should have gotten this one. Oh, I don't know. Q4 was tough, to be frank. I don't know if I know how to do it without drawing a lot. I mean, like I spent a good amount of time on it, but it was a reasonable amount. I also misread some part of that one too. So, but Q3 is the one that breaks my heart today because I really should have gotten that one. Or like I just didn't read it correctly. I don't know. Like as soon as I read it correctly, I was like, oh, this is stupid easy. Well, not stupid easy, but like given how much effort I put into it, you know, this was way easier than the effort I put into it. I don't think I see anyone. Let me know in the comments if I missed some shout outs. I feel like I don't see anyone that I usually run into. Oh no, that's a different Ayush. But wow, Sheep Forever is a little bit. Yeah. We'll see how far this updates. I mean, I should be here, but I guess it takes a little bit of time, and even then I'll probably go down a little bit. So I probably like lose a little bit of rating points, but all that is due to reading because I just cannot read. I mean, I don't think I would have finished in the top 25. We could probably like do the math later, or like when I'm watching the video. I did spend a good time on Q4. I don't remember exactly when I skipped ahead, but even then, like it would be easier to kind of go all in Q4 when I don't have to kind of keep on switching back and forth kind of in my head, which is probably a bad pattern anyway. But what happened to Alex? I thought I saw Alex like really high up after 3 problems. Maybe he misread it like I did. I hope not, but I don't even know how to explain otherwise. Oh, Chi-Chi's up here, so congrats, Chi-Chi. I guess this was so... I don't know. Like I feel like some people took time with it, but I just kind of misread it. Like as soon as I read it correctly, I kind of hammered it out quickly. Whether you believe me or not, I don't even know. But oh well. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Silly mistake. I mean, not even a silly mistake. I just didn't read. And Q4, I also kind of got confused for a while because I thought it was. I thought the product of order things. I don't know. I'm just being dumb, I think. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did. Yeah, I mean, I guess I didn't do that bad considering I basically gave away 20 minutes or something like this. Maybe less. I don't know. I have to do the math. So, yeah. Anyway, stay good. Stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye-bye.